Okay, we're coming into Laguna Beach, Southern California. Looks like a lot of people are leaving the beach already. We're getting there a little late. It's a Wednesday afternoon. We're just going to go down there and look around. Should be plenty of parking down there since everyone's leaving. World famous Laguna Beach, outside of Irvine, California. I can see some houses up on a mountain. Most houses out here, houses like that would be worth $10 million. You get like a basic home inland, it costs you $1 million. But very pretty. Love to go up there. Wish I knew someone that owned those homes up there. So I go look.
See, that's so big.
Yeah, big.
Millionaire.
Up on a cliff. Well, those are very, very rich people. I mean, like, a house like that's got to be $10 million.
Yeah, so big.
Or more, $20 million. So I've seen pictures of homes way inland costing $6 million, and they're like nothing. This is the town.
This is Laguna Beach.
It's Laguna Beach.
Wow.
Festival of Arts, Pageant of the Masters. That's the honor. There's some parking over there if we have to park. We have to come back. We'll see what it looks like all the way down. I can see a bunch of parking on the free shuttle. So,
Laguna Beach. Festival of Arts.
Janis Joplin. August 16th. Through the end of August. That's tonight. Janis Joplin. Remake. There's the water.
There you go. There's the water there. Wow.
Look at that, I forgot. Battery. That's stupid. Was in such a rush.
No battery?
I have no battery. Left back at the hotel. Well, good thing you brought two cameras in. I have to control one, you control one. Well, here we are.
There. Is that their apartment?
Gas station. And you know what? I need gas.
Okay. There we go. Here in gas station, Laguna Beach.
I'd pay extra for the view.
The station. Oh, there is the ocean. There you go. At this. I smell the ocean now.
Parking. Parking's a premium here. You can't find it. What do you eat? Valet parking. Look at this house on the cliff.
Yeah,
Laguna Beach.
very good.
They probably get high enough to see LA. Look at them all over there too.
Yep, at that house there.
I'd like to spend a night just to look at it.
There's
Laguna
the
Canyon
beach. Laguna Beach.
Look at the waves.
That's a nice sun.
Oh, these are tall. strip right now. Then we might have to go back up that road, take a shuttle bus. It ain't big beach, you know, it's only comes down to this canyon, you know. And all the businesses, they'll charge you money to have you towed away. Look at that tent. Look at that. That's pretty cool.
Pretty nice here. Look at this.
It's a up and down, okay? It's a shuttle bus right here.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the park's right there. Right?
Read up there.
Oh, that's the toll. Amazed how crowded it is. On Wednesday
Yep.
afternoon. If this is Friday evening, look out. We quadruple right now.
Very good. Oops. Stop there.
I'm looking to see what the price is. Can you see?
Okay.
Can't get out my door though. That's the problem. And there's no place to go. Oh, okay.
$150 per hour.
The problem is there's no place to get up to the beach. You know what I'm saying?
Huh?
How do you get to the beach?
Why not?
That street up there?